guys, I am Rebecca and these are my reviews, and I have another trunk club for you. I have done several of these videos. I've been getting trunk club for years and they switched up my stylist again. I really liked my last one, Caitlin James, but I think she's moved on to bigger and better things. And I think that's kind of the thing with trunk club, is that your stylists, there's a lot of turnover, so you never know. And sometimes your stylist really gets you and sometimes it takes a couple boxes before they get a better idea. The good thing is you can always send this stuff back. And because I do have a Nordstrom card, I don't even have to pay the styling fee, which is really nice. So let me show you what I got. Okay, so the first thing in here are these linen pants. And they have like a, an elastic at the ankle, and they're just, joggers with a little string tie. And I thought that they were really cute. I love this olive color, but they have zero stretch to them. I mean, they're linen. And so they weren't as comfortable as I was expecting them to be. And I have linen pants that I got from Trunk Club that I absolutely love. But there was something about the fit on these that it just wasn't, I don't know. I was kind of sad, actually. I thought for sure I would keep these because they are really cute. And then I paired that with this little tank. And this is, it's just like a soft cotton ribbed tank, and I like the little detailing of the lace up right here. The straps are really long though, and so it's pretty darn low cut. And it's so funny because in my 20s, I think this was all I ever wore, were shirts like this. I don't know, I mean, it was really cute and it's comfortable, and I like the rounded hem. I think that's flattering. It fit really nicely. I don't know. Okay, the next outfit I have are these pants, and these are just some slacks from Halogen. These are very stretchy and incredibly comfortable. I put these on and I was not expecting to like these at all. And I put them on and I was like, holy freaking cow, these are cozy AF. But I don't wear this sort of thing. Like, I am not a business casual type of person at all, ever. So I feel like I would never wear these. But if you have a need for cropped slacks, you need these pants. They are so comfortable, and I thought they were really cute. The fit on them was not what I'm used to wearing. I didn't think they were bad. It was just, I don't wear pants like these. But if you do, check these out. And these ones, and they weren't that expensive. $69, Halogen. I will leave a link for them in the description box. I'm telling you, if you like this sort of thing, these are fantastic. And it's Nordstrom. Nordstrom has free shipping and free returns, so just try them. If you don't like them, send them back, and it didn't cost you anything, right? And the top that I'm wearing right here, I forgot about this one. This one I'm on the fence about because it's cute. I like the bright color. I'm not sure how I feel about this. What do you call this? It's like eyelash lace or something weird. Again, with the weird like low cutness of it, I was like, I don't know about this. But the rest of it is fine, and it's double layered, and I feel like it's one of those pieces that you could layer with things and it would look really cute, or on a hot summer day, just wear it with some shorts and it would be nice and breezy. So I'm kind of on the fence about this one too. Okay. And then I had a bunch of tops, so I just put on some jeans to kind of see if I would like these with my usual type of pants, since I probably won't keep either of these. Okay, so the first one I have is this kind of polka dot clown shirt looking thing with the ruffle and the sleeves. It was a little more flattering than I thought it would be, but I still don't think I could ever wear this without feeling like a clown. It screams clown to me with the ruffle and the polka dots. Maybe if it had a different pattern or something, I don't know, but that one's not gonna happen. And then this one, again, I think it was cuter than I thought it was going to be, because based on the picture, it looked terrible. Then again, it didn't look much better. Just very, very boxy, and I'm not a fan of boxy clothes because my figure is kind of boxy. So I like things that are very tapered to make me look like I have more curves than I actually do. You know what I mean? So this, I just felt like wasn't great for my body type, but it's a nice enough shirt. It's just not for me. And then this one, I thought I was going to like more than I did. It's just, I don't know if it's too big or just too roomy, or I don't know if it's the style. I don't know. I put it on and I didn't love it. Sometimes that happens. It's like you see it on somebody else and you're like, that is such a cute top, and you put it on and you're like, nope. So that was kind of a bummer. Okay, and then the jackets, This jean jacket is so cute and it fits so well. It is adorable. It's cut from the Kloth, and I like cut from the Kloth. They have a lot of really great jeans, but I have a jean jacket that I already love. So I feel like I can't justify buying another jean jacket, but if you're in the market for a jean jacket, this is so cute, and it's nice and stretchy and fitted, and it was just so cute and just a really nice tailored fit. So I would totally keep that if I needed a jean jacket. And then this leather jacket, at first I was like, yes, I love that, I'm keeping that. But then, like, I put it on and I started playing with all the zippers. I'm like, there are some weird zippers. This thing, I mean, it looks like a weird vulva. It's like, what? The zipper is strange. And I don't mind decorative zippers. I like all of the detailing of these zippers that don't really do anything. But, you know, some of it is just a little bit odd, and it has shoulder pads in it. I read some of the reviews because I was curious what other people thought, and a lot of them said that it was very boxy, and I didn't find that. Not on me, at least. But the other complaint was that the shoulders look very Klingon-esque, and it's those shoulder pads. And not only the shoulder pads, but there's this flap right here, which gives it a very kind of pointy, angular, I mean, this is like a very 80s-esque sort of a thing. And it smells terrible. I feel like that's one of those things that would eventually wear off, I would hope, but it's got kind of a weird fishy smell. I don't even know why I'm wearing it right now. I think because I'm undecided, because part of me loves it and part of me is like, I don't know about that. And I feel like that was my overall feeling of this box. Like, I thought I was going to like it a lot more than I did, and I feel like the pieces just weren't quite right. So I don't know, I think I'm actually going to get another box like right away. I'm gonna message my stylist, give her all of my feedback and be like, okay, let's try for something else, and then try to get another box, because I do want some transition into spring pieces. You know, a lot of these were like in the right area, they just didn't quite hit the mark. And that is one of the nice things about Trunk Club, is that you do have so much communication with your stylist, and you can get a trunk whenever the heck you feel like. So I think I might do that. Oh, the shoes, I forgot about the shoes. So she also sent me a couple pairs of shoes. I hate these. I just don't like this style, this really flat style with the big strap. It's just not my thing. I just don't like them. I don't like the way they look on me. I don't like them in general. And then these ones, I almost like these because they are kind of cute, but then I felt like they just seem really big and chunky, and that is a very high heel. With the platform and everything, it's a lot. So I feel like, I don't know, you know, it's so funny because I feel like a lot of this stuff 10 years ago I would have been all over, and right now, you know, my style has just changed a little bit, and I don't think that I would really wear these. Plus I have knee problems now because I'm an old lady. So again, missed the mark. I'll talk to my stylist, and we'll see. I'll get something else and see if we can come up with some better stuff. So I will leave all of the information in the description box, and there are some great pieces in here, just not for me, if that makes sense. All right, well, thank you guys so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!